Shall we complete this exercise?
Yes, sir.
I am recording the video also so that I can share it in the group later. Here the question is to make the graph. I have copied the first question. Let me paste it over here. Here you can see the content of the table. It's all about the number of apples and the cost in rupees. To plot the graph, first thing what we have to do is we have to preferably take the scale in such a way that all the numbers here of the table should be there on the graph. So how do we choose the graph now? How do we choose the scale now? Suppose if I
Sir, choose the
consider
scale as 5, sir. We can take the scale as 5.
where,
0, 5, 10.
what will you consider on the x-axis?
Number of apples.
Number of apples. So you can see here it's continuous 1, 2, 3, 4. So better is we can consider 1 centimeter as one number. On the
1
y-axis,
centimeter is equal
it's about
to
the
5
cost.
rupees.
If you
5 rupees.
consider it as 5 rupees, let me insert x and y axis. So, okay, this is our y axis.
Yes, sir.
Now I'll make an x axis.
Sir, axis is a line or a ray, sir?
Actually, it is a line. I am taking a ray because all the values are
Line segment.
positive only. So it's first quadrant. So I am taking a part of the graph. This side I am not taking.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now
The number of
we
cost
have
in
to consider the
yes,
number of apples here. Towards this side, it's a cost in rupees. 1, 2,
no, sir.
3,
5, 10,
4,
15.
5. On the y-axis, it starts with 5, 10, 15. Next darker line, where is it? Yeah, it's
20,
20,
25.
25. Now we have to plot this point 1, comma 5 with respect to x value as 1, y value is 5. So this is the point 1, comma 5. The next point is 2, comma 10.
10. 2, 10.
So here 2, comma 10.
Linear graph,
Next
sir.
is 3,
3,
comma 15.
15.
So we are getting a linear graph, yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And
4,
also
20.
this particular line will pass through the
4,
origin.
20.
So
5,
when we draw a line, the line has to pass through all the
Origin.
points, including the origin.
origin.
0,
Yes, sir.
.0.
Sir, last one is 525, sir.
25,
You wrote
sir, it
20.
is.
Yes,
Not.
yes, it's 525. I'll change it.
Yes, sir. 25. 5, 25.
25.
Yes, sir.
So this will be the kind of graph we obtain. If you look at the second question, this is a distance time graph. There are some sub question also should be answered. First we will make the graph, then we will try answering the rest of the things. For that, let me copy this table, place it on the graph. So we have to plot the graph of this distance versus time. Here, if you observe the time, the interval is just 1 hour. 6 a.m. to 7 a.m., 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Its difference is 1 hour. The distances are given as 40, 80, 120. The gap is around 40
40,
40
yes, sir.
kilometers. So if you
40
want a
kilometers
better
gap.
graph, we can select the scale as 40 kilometers as 1 centimeter, or else
Sir,
we
then
can consider
the graph
20%.
will become very small, sir.
Graph will become very small if
Yes,
you
sir.
consider 40.
Kilometer.
We
We
can
can
take 20,
consider
sir.
20.
20,
We can
sir.
consider
Yes, sir.
20.
Scale is equal to,
Okay, let
yes,
us
sir.
Yes,
take
sir.
Scale
20.
is equal
Yes,
to
sir.
20 kilometers.
On x-axis,
Is equal to
we shall
20
take 1
kilometers.
centimeter
Is
as
equal to 1 hour.
1 hour. 1 hour. On y-axis, we shall take 1 centimeter as 20
Kilometers, sir.
kilometers.
1 centimeter is equal to
Let us
20
consider
kilometers.
line. So on the x-axis, we shall take the time taken. This is time
Yes,
in terms of hour. On the
time taken.
y-axis, it's the
Time
distance
in
in kilometer.
kilometers. Kilometers.
So here is the starting one. But if you notice, we should have done this, no? Kink.
Yes, sir. King.
Then we
Yes,
have to
sir.
start somewhere here as 6 a.m. Next one is here 7 a.m.
Sir, why we should do king on x-axis, sir?
Because we have not started from 0 to 1. We are not taking that. So on x-axis also king. On y-axis it starts with 40. So 0 to 40 there is nothing. So I am taking king. So starting is 20. The next darker line is 40. Next to that is 60. Next to that is 80. Next is 100. Next darker line is 120. Next is 140. I have to move this apart. Okay. Next is 160. Now we have to plot the points here. Let's plot 6, 40. So here 6, 40. Next one is 7, 80.
80.
Made a mistake. It's not here, it is here. No.
Yes.
7, 80. Next to that is 8, 120.
20.
8, 120. Next to that is
9, 160.
9, 160. So when we draw a line, it passes again through the origin. Isn't it? This will be the graph.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There were two sub questions for this graph. How much distance did the car cover during the period 7:30 a.m. to 8 a.m.? From
20
7:30
kilometers.
a.m. to 8 a.m. So when this type of question is given, it's better that
20
we
kilometers, sir.
20 kilometers.
draw
20
a line.
kilometers.
20, sir.
So because within hour it is 40
7:30,
kilometers.
7:30, and one more is 8, no?
8 o'clock. Yes, sir.
8 o'clock. So in this we can observe
Sir, 100 kilometer and 120 kilometers, sir.
120 minus 100, sir.
120 minus 100. So we get it as
20
20
kilometer.
kilometers. So the answer for this is 20 kilometers. What was the time when the car had covered distance of 100 kilometers since it starts?
7:30 a.m. sir.
7:30.
So it was
7:30
clearly from the graph that it is 7:30 a.m. Here you can observe this line. Let me increase the weight of that line. Increase it, right click, format shape. Where is weight? It's not seen here. Okay, you can identify this as 100. This line is
Yes, sir.
visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's simple.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You just look at this question 3, the third one. Interest on deposits for a year. Deposit is given in terms of rupees, and the simple interest also is there in terms of rupees. If you consider deposit as x-axis, in x-axis, interest on the y-axis, we get the graph. Here, what type of scale we have to consider? Let me copy this and bring it forward.
40, sir.
40 we will consider with respect to interest. What about deposit?
So it can be as it is, sir.
As it is.
1000, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Or
sir.
if you want a wider graph, what we can do is we can
We can 500, sir.
make it
500.
as 500. Yes, 1 centimeter as 500 rupees.
500.
So let me write it over here.
Or 2 centimeter
Yes,
as
sir.
1000 rupees.
Y-axis is equal
X-axis,
to 500 rupees
1
and
centimeter as 500 rupees.
yes, sir.
On
X-axis is equal
y-axis,
to 500
1
rupees.
centimeter is 40 rupees.
40, sir.
40.
Yes, sir. 40 rupees is
Sir, can
interest.
we take on x-axis 2 centimeter is equal to 1000 rupees?
2 centimeter as 1000. Yes, it's same. If you are mentioning 2 centimeter as 1000 rupees, it is one and the same as 1 centimeter equal to 500.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, sir. 500.
Sir, can we take 1 centimeter on x-axis is 40 rupees?
1 centimeter as
1 centimeter on x-axis is 40 rupees.
x-axis as 40 rupees. No problem, we can consider. You want to make x-axis as interest and y-axis as deposit. That also can be done. There is nothing wrong. But preferably we choose the dependent quantity on y-axis. Here simple interest is dependent on the deposit.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
More the deposit, more will be the interest obtained. So we
Yes, sir.
always prefer, it's a preference that we consider dependent quantity on the y-axis.
Yes, sir.
Here we have y-axis.
X-axis.
and x-axis. What shall we do? X-axis.
Yes, sir.
Shall
Deposit.
we take the deposit only?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So deposit in terms of rupees.
Interest. In Y-axis.
Then it's a simple interest.
Yes, sir. In Y-axis.
Let me write it as SI, simple interest. This is also in terms of rupees.
Yes, sir.
Since we have taken 500 here, starting
500.
is 500, next is 1000, next is
1500.
1,500. 2,000.
2000,
2,500.
2500,
3,000.
3000. What's the maximum
3500.
here? It's 5000.
5,000.
5000 is the
Yes,
maximum.
sir. That's line. Yes, sir.
So
3500.
3500, 4000,
4500. 4500.
and 5000.
5000. Yes, sir. Last 5000.
Again, in this case, we don't have the starting, isn't it? So we can
Yes,
make
sir. We
kink
become
here.
40.
I have taken 40 rupees as 1 centimeter. So
Yes, sir.
40
40.
rupees. Next is 80 rupees.
60.
Next is
120.
120.
Sir, we have starting. We are starting with
150.
500. So why are we
Starting
making
is
king?
0 to 1000 rupees. So
Yes, sir.
starting
We
is
are.
there. So there is no need
Yes,
of
sir.
kink. Yes, very good. Good observation. So we'll not make kink here. After 120, we have
160.
160.
Of
Here we have
200.
200. What's the maximum?
240. 400 is
The
maximum.
maximum is
400 is maximum.
400. So it becomes
Yes, sir.
very large one.
240.
Sir,
280.
So probably it won't come in this graph here.
Yes, sir. We can make 80, sir.
So better is we'll take this as 80 only.
sir, for then we should make king for y-axis, no, sir.
Yes, sir.
From 0 to 100 rupees,
We should
the
make
interest obtained is 80 rupees. So no need
yes,
of
sir.
king.
So why, sir?
Sir, can you explain why king was
King-
removed from y-axis?
Yes.
Yes, sir. We not
If
understand.
zero amount is deposited, you'll be getting 0 rupees as interest. Here, when 1000 rupees is deposited, the interest obtained is 80 rupees. So straight away, from 0 to 1000, there is no investment. So there is no simple interest. Since it is starting from 0 to 1000 and 0 to 80, there is no need of king. Simple interest is 80, next 160, 240,
240,
320,
320,
400.
400.
Maximum was 400 or 500?
500.
400, sir.
400, sir. 400 is maximum.
400 is maximum. Now
Sir.
for 1000 it is 80.
Yes, sir.
For
1000
1000 it
comma
is 80.
80. 1000 comma 80.
So it is 1000 comma 80. Next is
2000 comma
2160.
160. Yes, sir. 2000 comma 160.
For 2000 it is 160.
3000 comma 240.
3240.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can we write 80 and 1000? First 80 and then 1000.
Yes, sir.
We
We
will
can
not write
write,
like
sir.
that. The reason is with respect to 1000 on x-axis, the value of y-axis is 80. It is something like that. If you
Sir, should
plot
we always mention x-axis
x-axis
first?
first, yes, x-axis has
Yes.
to be mentioned first. to tell you a fact that there is other name given for x coordinate and y coordinate. In class 9th, you will come to know. This x coordinate is referred to as abscissa and the y coordinate is referred to as ordinate. Abscissa refers to x coordinate, which is distance of a point from y axis. Distance from y axis is x coordinate. Distance from x axis is y coordinate. So here distance from y axis is 1000. From here to here it is 1000. Understood? So
Yes,
this
sir.
has to be written before 80. X value has to be written before 80. Abscissa value always before ordinate. How to remember this? In the alphabets, X comes much before Y and A comes before O. Abscissa written first, then ordinate. So this is how we can remember. In some of the questions of class 9th, we don't give the name x coordinate, y coordinate. Instead, they'll give abscissa is 5, ordinate is 6. So it means that it is 5, 6. Okay. What next? 4000.
Yes, sir.
4320,
4010,
5400.
320,
4320.
4000, sir.
Where is that? Yeah,
3,
4000. It's here.
yes, sir.
4320.
20,
5400.
400 and
So we get again a straight line here if you draw. The common pattern for these three questions, did you observe? They all pass through origin.
Linear graph, sir.
They are all linear graph.
yes, sir.
They are in ratios.
Yes, they are in ratio. Yes, sir. Instead, we can say they are in portion. There is a increase in one quantity, increases the other quantity also. For 1000, if 1000 is added, for 80, it becomes 160. 2 times. Here it is 3 times if you compare these two. If you compare these two, 4 times. If you compare these two, it's 5 times. So proportionately, it is increasing. It's direct proportion. There were some questions for this. Does
Yes.
the graph pass through the origin?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it passes through the origin. Use the graph to find interest on rupees 2500 for a year.
180,
2500.
sir. 180.
So 2500 is exactly here
So
in
180.
between. If you draw horizontal line,
200, sir.
vertical line,
200, sir.
you get this point over here. It's
Yes, sir.
half the
200,
way.
sir.
200,
It's
sir.
half the way
100 plus
between 160 to
20.
240. So this particular point is 2500, 200. So the simple interest is 200. So here, let me mention this as rupees 200 is the interest. To get an interest rupees 280 per year, how much money should be deposited? Where is 280? 280 is half the way between 240 and 320.
3,500.
Yes, sir.
It is somewhere here. This is the point. It is 280.
Sir, 3,500.
If you draw horizontal line and with respect to that vertical line, we get the point of intersection as, what is the point of intersection? 3500, 280. Therefore, the interest obtained is 280 for 3,500 rupees deposit. So we can mention here it is rupees 3,500. Done?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you once again show the first question, sir? A.
Which question? A.
A
First
one, sir.
one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, one.
Answer.
First question.
This is the question. 1, 5, 2, 10, 3, 15.
Answer.
Yes, sir. Answer, sir. Answer of that question.
Answer is this. Number of apples on the x-axis and the cost
And
per
cost in
apples
y-axis.
y-axis.
Yes, sir. Thank
Yes,
you,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Question 2. Again, we have to make the graph and find
Diagram.
out whether it is a linear graph or not.
Line. Line graph.
So let me copy this. Uday is singing song. Uday,
Sir, it's a linear graph, sir.
is it?
It is linear graph, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ratio is 1:4.
Linear
1
graph,
by
sir.
4, sir. 1 by 4.
So for 3.5 into 4 is 14. Yes, it is.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's a linear graph.
Yes, sir.
So easy to identify. How about this second one? Probably it is not.
No, sir.
Not
No,
a
sir.
Here
linear
it is
graph, sir.
2
Yes,
times.
sir.
Here it is 3 times.
3
Here it
times,
is
sir.
4 times.
4
4
times.
times, 5 times, and 6 times, sir.
6
Not
times.
a linear graph,
It is
sir.
like x value is given. Here it is x square.
X square, sir.
Yes, sir.
What type of graph we get here?
Uh,
Shall we plot this second one? Not the first
Yes,
one.
sir.
Second.
Second one, sir.
Okay. Let me
Curve
take
one.
this second
Line,
one.
sir. Line graph.
We will get a curve graph.
We will not get a straight line.
X
We will get a
and
curve. Yes.
X
We will get a
square.
curve. Yes. What type of curve we get here? Shall I mention as it is without lines so that I can save little time?
Yes.
Yes,
Ulta
sir.
U will get.
These points are enough to mention. On y-axis also I need points here. Even after spectacles, I am unable to see, make out the darker lines and lighter lines. You were able to see properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We can see, sir.
Tell me how to choose the scale here.
Sir, in Y
Here there is no problem.
and
1
On
centimeter.
x-axis there is no problem. Straight away we
Why we
can
can-
write like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But on the y-axis, it's
square, sir.
increasing
1,
by
2, 4,
squares.
9, 6.
Yes.
Sir, can we choose this square as 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5
Yes,
square, and 6 square?
Yes,
Uniformity
sir. We
should be
can
there. We
use
cannot
a
consider
1
like
square
that.
as a
No, you should not
scale,
consider
sir.
like
1
that.
square is a scale.
The distance between the two consecutive points has to be same. So how to choose the scale?
Sir, we can take 1 square as a scale.
Let me make a smaller graph this time so that you will understand better. This point is 0. Here I will make it as 10. Here I will make it as 20. This is 30. This is 40.
40.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see to represent 4, to
There
represent
are
9,
10
it's all
lines
easy,
between
no?
them, sir.
It's directly
between
this
0
is
and
a,
10.
this is a 4.
Yes,
This
sir.
one is 9.
9, sir.
1 it is not there, sorry. For 2 it is 4. For 2 it is 4. For
So, sir,
3
so
it is
the 4
9.
and 9 are lying between the 0 and 10, sir.
For 4 it is 16. 16 is 15 plus 1. It's somewhere here.
Yes, sir.
Next is 5, 25.
25.
5
Yes, sir. 5,
is
25.
exactly half the way. It's 25. 6, 36. So 6. This is 35.
Yes, sir.
This is
Half the
36.
more.
More than half.
Yes, sir. More. Half the more is
How
more than
to
half.
join
curve,
these
sir.
points?
Tilted
Upward
likely,
curve.
sir. like tilted lightly.
Tilted lightly.
Yes, sir.
So if you draw line segments here, you will
Not a
get some
linear
line
graph.
segments. Usually, when curves are there, how to make a smooth curve?
Sir, using compass.
Using compass, no. Using compass, you can get a circle, but this circle it's very difficult to get here. It becomes very large.
Sir, are you
Protractor, sir.
using, yes, sir.
Protractor.
Protractor, sir. Protractor using a
This type of graph we had in our higher classes. What we were doing, I'll tell you. We were taking bamboo sticks. One way we use for brooming, we used to take that. And that can be folded or bent in such a way that maximum of these points are covered. You can
yes,
place
sir.
a bent bamboo stick so
Yes, sir.
that maximum points can be covered. Is there a way to draw here? Curve is there here? Yes, curve is there. No. Shape. Yeah, curve is there. Select this.
Yes, sir.
0 I should consider. Actually, this
Yes,
is
sir. We
not
understood,
correct
sir.
actually.
Yes,
Yes,
it is like yes.
It should
We
not be
understood,
S.
sir.
It should not be S.
Yes, sir. It should be curves.
A better thing is, let me not consider this. In
Draw
hand
by
only we can.
hand.
You get something like this here.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What type of graph is this? It's not a linear graph,
Quadric.
not linear.
Yes, sir. Not a linear graph.
Yes, Shobhan is telling that it's a quadratic one.
Quadric.
Yes, sir.
Quadratic.
Yes, Shobhan, it is correct because as I mentioned that if you consider this values as x, this is x squared. So
If we consider
y is
it
equal
as
to x
square,
square is
sir,
the
it is
equation.
quadric, sir. Yes, sir. And
Yeah, it is
when we
quadratic.
consider it as cube, sir, it is
Cubic.
cubic.
There is a name for this graph. The name is parabola.
Parabola. Yes, sir. Curve.
So when we have a quadratic equation, we get a parabola, we will not get a linear graph. So just remember that. In morning session, you were asking how to draw the graph or equation.
Yes, sir.
Yes? Let
Yes,
me
sir.
Yes, sir.
consider a simple equation, say x plus y is equal to 3. If I consider this as a simple equation, I can get the value of y as 3
1
minus
plus 2.
x.
Yeah, yes,
3
sir.
minus x.
Yes.
For different values of x, I can find the value of y. Suppose if x value is 0, the value of y becomes
3, sir.
3 minus
3.
0.
If
3,
the
sir.
value of x is 1, the value of y becomes 2.
2.
2.
If it is 3, it is 0.
0.
We can plot these points.
4, it is minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I consider this line as y-axis and this line as x-axis,
X-axis.
this point is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here again 1,
2,
2, 3,
3.
and 4. 0, comma 3. When x value is 0, y value is 3. This is the point 0, comma 3. 1, comma 2. When x value is 1, the value of y is 2. This is 1, comma 2. 3, comma 0. It is this point 3, comma 0. So we can have a straight line which passes through these points and it cuts both x-axis and y-axis.
Yes, and they are zeros of this linear lines.
Correct? No.
Yes,
We
sir.
had come across this type of graph, isn't it?
Sir, where we will locate 4 comma minus 1?
Yeah. Where will be 4 comma minus 1?
Yes,
It
It
will
will
be there
be
here.
in
One is
minus
sir,
symbols.
No, it will be there
4 and
somewhere here.
its bottom
4.
of it.
It continues like this. It is
Yes,
4
sir.
comma minus 1. Downside also
yes,
it
sir.
continues. Whatever the value of x you choose, we get value of y.
Yes,
So
Yes, sir.
that point can be mentioned. In class 11th, we had an experiment. Probably that is not there in the syllabus now. It was related to cooling. We used to take copper vessel in that hot water and a stirrer. Stirrer is a glass rod which is
used to
used
mixing.
for continuously stirring. This setup was kept in a wooden box
Yes, sir.
and a thermometer was fixed to this. On continuous stirring, the temperature
It's get
gradually decreases with the time. When we plot the graph, we get this type of graph. When the time increases, the temperature goes on decreases.
That
At
is the
some
graph, sir.
particular point, the temperature of the water will become temperature of room. Room temperature will be same as water's temperature. So from here, it becomes parallel to x-axis. This type of graph we get. This is also a parabola.
yes, quadric.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you have told that when you are stirring that liquid, sir, it kept on decreasing the temperature, sir.
Yes.
What if we cool it till it become ice, sir? How the graph will look like?
See, I told it was kept in a wooden box and continuous stirring was done. When it
Yes,
is
sir.
kept in a wooden box at room temperature, it cannot become a ice. It has
No,
to be
sir.
kept
If
in
we
a
keep it
freezer.
Sir,
in
he is
fridge,
telling
sir.
if what will be the graph look like when we stir it till it become ice, like
No,
another
sir.
It
example.
Without
cannot become
stirring, if
ice.
we keep it in refrigerator.
If you keep it in refrigerator, definitely it will become ice and it will take little time. For that, we need to see the time versus temperature. So we should be continuously seeing the difference in the time and difference in the temperature. So that type of setup should be there so that we can peep through the refrigerator and see the decrease in temperature. It's little difficult, yeah. This is possible. To tell you, in physics, you will come to know a concept related called a slope. If it is distance versus time graph, the slope is you have to choose two different points here and you have to draw horizontal and vertical line. This distance divided by this distance will give speed.
Zero.
Speed is equal to distance by time. From here to here, the difference is this much. How much is this? I don't know. This is 7.5. This is 20. What is the difference here? 13.5 or 12.5.
Yes.
12.5, sir.
Difference in time. Say this is 2.5 hour. This is 4 hour. How much is the difference? 4
One
minus
and a half.
2.5.
One and a half. One and a half.
Suppose if this is there in terms of kilometer and if this is there in terms of hours, this is kilometer per hour. This will be the speed. And this concept is called as finding slope. Here, when parabola is there, still we can find the slope. Though it is not a straight line, we can find the slope using mirror. What we do is, we will take concave mirror and we place the mirror here and we see that it can be continued here. Then we will find the slope. In higher classes, probably you will learn this. All right, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir.